The medal ceremony for the team figure skating competition at the Beijing Winter Olympics was delayed because of what the International Olympic Committee called Wednesday a legal issue that could affect medalists. The committee did not explain the nature of the legal issue. The competition concluded Monday after several days of intense skating during which the Russian Olympic Committee athletes won gold, the United States took silver and Japan bronze. It was Team USA's best finish in the event since its debut in 2014. But IOC spokesman Mark Adams told a news conference Wednesday that a situation arose at short notice which requires a legal consultation with the International Skating Union, the governing body of skating. No further information was provided. Thanks for watching.